Ho ho ho, and welcome to the 6th day of 12 Tools for Christmas. And today we're going to talk about Spotify, where you can get music and podcasts.
Spotify is a digital streaming service that provides access to millions of songs, podcasts, and videos from artists from all around the world. Very much like Apple Music, Amazon Music Unlimited, and maybe your old iTunes account. Or maybe a little more modern than your CDs. We use Spotify every day to give us a little bit of motivation to get ready to work, or maybe a little bit of a chillax in the evening. And what we also use Spotify for is for podcasts and for playlists. We even have our own Do Video podcast on Spotify as well, for your enjoyment. We also created a playlist of music to get you pumped up and ready to make videos. Just a quick FYI.
So I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you use that tool, make sure you comment below and let us know how you go with it. So make sure you check out Video Confidence Coach on all of your social medias and all of the Facebooks and all of the places that we are. And if you have any questions, you can just DM, email us and all that cool stuff. Hope you have a Merry Christmas and stay tuned for tomorrow for another thing.